traditional African understanding of wealth?
The traditional African understanding of wealth and poverty include wealth. Wealth is a blessing or a gift from God. And it resembles a person. And it resembles a person to be rich. What is also a part and a parcel of human existence, and it is measured according to the amount of property, wives and children one has. It can be earned individually. What is acquired through hard work, inheritance, gifts, grades, or dowry. What determines one's social status. It should be used to help the needy in the society, especially the poor. There are rules governing how it should be distributed. It may be also used to worship God and also appease the ancestors.
Thank you. Clap for him. Unabeba kitabu changu kwa nini wewe? Ona huyu. Wewe kitabu kienda wapi?